Hi, Food Fam. If you are a working professional, hard pressed for time, and are looking for a quick and easy recipe, here is the perfect potato masala recipe. This delicious curry can be paired with rice, roti, poori, or dosa. Why don't you try it when you need a quick curry? While the onions are frying, please subscribe so you can get notifications of all my new recipes. I hope you like this recipe. Do let me know when you try it out. Thanks for watching.